In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change currency in Odoo. Currency settings can affect how invoices, bills, and accounting entries are displayed across your system. So it is important to make changes in the right places and to understand the difference between selecting currencies and updating your company's main currency. To begin, go to the accounting area of your Odoo instance. Depending on your setup, this may be labeled as accounting or invoicing. Take a moment to look at the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen and select the option that corresponds to your accounting or invoicing features. If you are using a version of Odoo that organizes modules slightly differently, choose the one that clearly relates to accounting functions, because the currency settings you need are located there. Once you are in accounting or invoicing, you will move to configuration settings next. In the interface, look for a section called Configuration, often found in the top menu area or in a settings-related dropdown. Click on Configuration Settings so you can access the administrative options for currencies. This is where Odoo stores the list of currencies and where you can control which ones are available. Now, under the Currencies section, click Currencies. When you open this screen, you should see a list of currencies that your database recognizes. You might notice that each currency has a status or a toggle that shows whether it is currently active. This list is the place where you select a currency you want to use for transactions, reporting, or invoicing, depending on your workflow. Next, select the desired currency from the list. Click on the currency you want to add or use, and then check that it is marked as active. This part matters because selecting a currency does not always automatically enable it everywhere. By ensuring the currency is active, you confirm that Odoo will allow you to choose it in the relevant financial documents and settings. As you select the currency, take a quick look at the currency's details. Make sure you are choosing the correct one, especially if there are similar names or multiple regional variants. Once you confirm it is the right currency, ensure the active option is turned on. If it is not active, activate it and save your changes if the screen requires it. After that, your system will be prepared to use this currency wherever currency selection is supported. After you have enabled the currency you want, you may also need to change your company's main currency. The main currency is different from just adding an available currency. Your company's main currency affects baseline accounting configuration and how values are interpreted by default. So do not skip this if you truly need your organization to operate in a new primary currency. To change the main company currency, go to Settings, then find Users and Companies. From there, select Companies. This path is usually organized under the main Settings menu, so you can quickly locate it by returning to the gear or settings icon, then using the Users and Companies section to reach the Companies page. Once you are on Companies, select your company. If you have more than one company in your database, be careful to choose the correct one, because each company can have its own settings. After selecting the company record, locate the currency field. Update the currency field to the currency you want to use as your company's primary currency. This change sets the default currency for that company across the accounting setup. When you update the currency field, review the screen briefly to confirm that the selected value matches what you intended. Then save your changes if necessary. Depending on your configuration, Odoo may apply the new currency behavior immediately for default displays and future records, while historical transactions remain as they were originally recorded. And that covers everything you need to know. That is all there is to it.